Rise. Support court with Judge Van Der Bee is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB1072, Wilson case.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Wilson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, I have a son named Tanner Wilson, and he has a daughter with Nikki. And Tanner is in the military. Nikki is off at school, but she's not helping do anything. I've been raising their child for the past 6 months, so I'm not getting any help or assistance or anything from her. Okay. So I need some type of child support from her.
And where is Tanner?
Tanner's in the military.
Oh, he's
in the military.
So when you say he's...
All right, folks, get ready for some serious courtroom drama. What's about to unfold involves a grandmother stepping in as the primary caregiver for her grandchild while the biological parents, one in the military, the other in school, are distant from their responsibilities. As emotions clash with legal obligations, this case digs deep into who is responsible for a child when the parents aren't around. Get comfortable because this family drama is about to take a wild turn.
I mean, I get it. You're in college and you want to have fun, but don't forget that you have a responsibility. Okay. You know, you still have a child at home that needs you, a mother needs some help. You know,
and I agree with that.
Yeah, she's just not being a good mom right now.
Okay. All right. Miss Nikki, why are you not being a good mom?
It's not that I'm not being a good mom. It's just that I'm in school full time.
Okay.
And
so being in school full time means you can't be a mom?
Well, I'm away at school. So on my breaks, I go home.
Away at school means you cannot be a good mom?
I am a good mom. I am going to school full time. The point is when I got pregnant, I didn't want to have a child. I was in school. I didn't want that for myself.
Okay, but the baby is here now.
She is.
She's 2. So besides going to school, what else do you...
Now, here's where the tension starts to build. Nikki, the mother, makes it clear she didn't want this child and has no intention of stepping up the way a mother should. She claims to be doing what she can. But when your child is living with someone else and you're barely involved, how much of that is true? The grandmother, Miss Wilson, is left holding the bag for everything, and you can see the resentment simmering. This moment begs the question, can someone really be a good mom when they're not actively involved?
A good mom.
I mean, I do what I can.
As in what?
As in,
she just said
she's here
that,
now.
Excuse me. She just said that you are not providing any financial information and you barely come to visit the child when you're in town.
Like I said, when I got pregnant, I did not want a baby. She was like, I wanted a granddaughter, and I was like, I'm sorry, I don't.
Oh, I get it. So because you didn't want Sterling and she did,
we had a whole agreement before this. Like, she was like, I'll take care of her. I wanted another child.
Right, she will take care of her. I don't believe she thought that she was going to be raising another child on her own. Am I right about that?
Yes.
She is
had
a
this
grandmother.
conversation. I'm in school full time. I told her I
How long do you have left in school?
I have a year left.
So Sterling is going to be with her another year, and then...
This is a bombshell. Nikki admits her reluctance to be a mother, and that raw honesty stings. But here's the kicker. There was an agreement made before the child was born where Nikki's mother would take care of Sterling. Now Miss Wilson is left to pick up the pieces of a broken promise. The issue isn't just that Nikki's not fulfilling her role as a mother, but that she seems to expect others to pick up the slack. It's a bitter, complicated family dynamic that makes you wonder how much is too much to expect from a grandparent.
Then I'll be working.
Okay.
She's 2. She won't remember any of this.
I'm just going to play like you did not say that.
She won't. I mean, I when I go home, I see her, we FaceTime, all of that.
You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, I'm not. I mean, I don't understand.
I mean, I don't understand either, because you said as I was saying and you still haven't said anything.
I said what I had to say. I'm in school full time. What do I do?
Take care of your child. You can.
I do the best that I can.
Okay. So is it true what she said about you being on social media, going to clubs and all that kind of stuff?
Yes, I am a influencer. So I try to get
wait
brand
a minute,
deals.
hold on. You said you're in school full time, you don't work?
Correct.
But influencers get paid.
I haven't gotten paid
Come
in
on,
a
make
while.
it make sense.
I haven't gotten paid in a while.
But you get paid
Yes.
and you can send money for sterling, right?
Yes, and I do.
And you don't.
I do.
That's not what she just said. So is she being untruthful? Or
I
are
do.
you
I
being
do what I can.
untruthful?
I am in school full time. I don't know what else. This is so crazy to me. Like, why we're right here right now, because
We're here right now because grandmother needs some financial
grandmother
assistance for her
chose
child.
this life. Grandmother chose the life.
You know what?
I didn't choose this life. However, I love my daughter to pieces. I don't regret anything. However, I would have liked to wait.
So
You know?
grandmother chose this life.
Yes, grandmother wanted to take care of her. It's okay, I'll take care of her while you're in school. And all of a sudden, something changed, which is why we're sitting here now.
Can you believe this?
I really can't. I mean, I expected you to help at least. Of course, I'm not going.
Now, this is where things really start to crumble. Nikki tries to defend her career as a social media influencer as a reason for not helping out, but that excuse doesn't hold up. She's talking about working in a space where money doesn't come in consistently, and yet she's not providing a dime for her child. The court is pushing her to face the reality. Being an influencer doesn't absolve you of your responsibilities. This is a wake-up call, and it's hitting hard. Your job or your dreams can't replace your duty to your child.
A year left of her taking care of your daughter. You and Tanner's daughter.
This is what you wanted.
But I thought you were going to
said that
help.
you were
and
gonna
be
take care
I
of
thought
her.
you were going to still be a good mom
Miss
to
Nikki,
Sterling.
you are
though.
so unbelievable right
Yes.
now. You are the mom. She is the grandmother.
Exactly.
What part of that don't you understand?
I understand all of it. We had a whole agreement that she would raise the child until I was out of school. So when I come home, I do see my child. I do.
Barely.
You know what?
But I don't know what changed. I don't know if she got a little boyfriend or something.
What difference would it make if she had a boyfriend? That
Because
is none of
she
your
chose
business.
this life.
Excuse me.
I could have waited.
You chose this life. You had the child with Tanner. Miss Wilson, Miss or Mrs., I'm sorry.
Miss.
Miss Wilson did not have the child. You did. The child is your responsibility, not grandmother's. Whether she wanted a grandchild or not. I know a lot of grandparents that say, oh, when are you going to have me a grandchild? I want a grandchild. They never anticipate that phrase to mean I 100% am.
And this is where the judge lays down the law. Child support is set at minimum wage, and Nikki's plans to avoid paying are finally stopped in their tracks. This ruling isn't just about the money. It's about making sure both parents contribute, regardless of their personal choices or lifestyles. Whether Nikki likes it or not, it's clear being a mother isn't optional, and neither is financial support. The court has spoken, and now both parents are held accountable.
You are unbelievable right now.
I'm not. I'm really not.
You really are.
No,
So
I'm
you know
really
what?
not.
What we're going to go ahead and do is get Miss Wilson the proper financial support that she needs to take care of your daughter. So you understand, and let me repeat it again, your daughter. So you don't walk out of this courtroom believing that someone else has the obligation of taking care of your child. She does not have to step in and do anything.
She does not, but she
She's
chose
doing
to.
it. She's
so don't
doing
complain
it.
about it now. Don't complain about it now.
Well, you know
chose
what?
to do this.
I don't need you to
didn't-
complain about these numbers when I read them off to you, okay? So, Miss Wilson, Tanner, you say he's in the military. Do you know how much money he makes?
I don't know how much she makes.
Okay. Health insurance. I know typically they have decent health insurance in the military. Do you have any idea of how much that costs?
About 108. Tanner takes care of that part.
Okay. Tanner takes care of that. So let me just make sure I make a note of that. All right. And mom doesn't do anything.
Nothing.
Okay. And you said that 6
do a lot.
months the child has been with you?
Yes.
Okay. Daycare is $800 a month.
The clock is ticking, and the judge is going through the final rulings. What's becoming clear is that this case is about more than just numbers. It's about making sure everyone, especially the child, gets what they need. The grandmother's role isn't glamorous, but she's been thrust into a position of parental authority. It's a tough pill to swallow for everyone involved, but the law is doing what it can to right the wrongs. The support may be minimal, but it's a step toward accountability. Is this fair?
When you're influencing, let me ask you a question. How much money are you getting off of that consistently?
Consistently, I would say maybe $2,000 a month.
$2,000 a month? And you haven't sent her anything?
I mean, I had books to pay for.
Right, so your books cost $2,000?
Yes.
Are you getting financial aid from school?
I have maxed out all my financial aid. I maxed out all my loans. I don't know what else to do. I'm doing what I can. Like I said, I'm doing what I can.
Have you ever considered moving from New York? I know it's expensive to live there.
No, I have a huge internship. Why would I? No.
Oh.
No.
Okay, so your internship is more important than raising your daughter?
No, it is not. But I am doing this for my daughter.
Oh, okay.
So
that's what you believe. That's fine.
That is what I know. I am doing this for my daughter.
Well, what I know is you're getting ready to pay child support. So this is what we're going to do. Since you don't have any financial information on Tanner, we're going to set his child support at minimum wage. We're also going to set your child support at minimum wage, okay? I'm going to order that Tanner maintains the health insurance, and then I'm also going to have you reimburse half of that health insurance back to him. So, not reimburse half of it. You're going to reimburse the back pay, because I'm going to order you to pay back pay as well. She said 6 months. So Tanner is going to maintain the health insurance at 108, okay? There will be no reimbursement on that part of it, because what I'm going to do is have you pay monthly child support at minimum wage, which is $209.
Non-parent, someone other than a grandparent, is in care, custody, possession, control of the child. Well, something else that may have stood out to you about this case is I didn't base Mom's child support off of her saying that she was a social media influencer. Her testimony about the money she received was not only inconsistent, but she's also paying for school and her books. Like she stated, she's maxed out on the she's maxed out on the student loans that she can receive and everything like that. But she still needed to pay something, which is why her child support was set at minimum wage. Something else that stood out about this case was that Dad's child support was also set at minimum wage. Now, we may know that Dad may make more money. However, his mother didn't have that information with her when she came to court. So, his child support was set at minimum wage. Mom's child support was set at minimum wage. They were both ordered to reimburse for health insurance. And his staff.
As well as back pay to grandmother. So $219 multiplied by the past 6 months. Tanner's portion is $657. Your portion is $657. That's to be paid at $50 per month. So each parent's child support obligation to grandmother is $269 per month.
Are you happy now?
No, are you happy now? I know I'm happy because you're finally supporting your child financially, and grandmother gets some assistance with paying this daycare.
Grandmother wanted a baby. She's grandmother.
And you know what?
This is your part.
And grandmother is here. Excuse me. Grandmother's here because she also wanted some financial help. Is there anything further, ma'am?
No, we're done here.
Oh, obviously. Is there anything further?
No, thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.